Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most popular fruits in the world. Banana. Soft, sweet, convenient. Many people eat bananas for breakfast. Others use them before exercise. Some enjoy them as quick snack during busy days. But bananas offer more than simple taste. Let's begin with energy. Bananas contain natural carbohydrates. Your body uses carbohydrates as fuel. This supports movement, activity, daily performance. Another important benefit is potassium. Bananas are known for this mineral. Potassium supports muscle function. It also supports heart health. This is one reason athletes often eat bananas. Then comes digestion. Bananas contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. Your digestive system works more comfortably. Another important point is balance. Bananas provide energy without complicated preparation. Easy to carry. Easy to eat. Easy to include in daily nutrition. Now let's talk about your brain. Your brain needs stable fuel to function properly. Bananas help support steady energy levels. This may help focus. Another important benefit is mood. Bananas contain nutrients connected with normal nervous system function. Your body feels more balanced. Then comes recovery. After physical activity, your body needs nutrients plus hydration. Bananas may support this natural process. Another important area is your skin. Bananas contain antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports healthier appearance over time. But here is the truth. Bananas are healthy. Yet moderation still matters. Too much of any sweet food may create imbalance. Whole bananas are usually better than heavily processed banana snacks. Now here is the key idea. Healthy food does not need to be expensive or complicated. Simple natural fruits already provide useful nutrition. Because real health is built from consistent daily habits. Small smart choices. Repeated over time. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.